Red motherfucker. Them's feet, not wheels. So why you feeling the need? You got a license for them feet? I don't think you do. I'm starting to wonder. I'm starting to think those are unlicensed feet.
Out this shit, you know, and everybody really didn't answer me. Well,
I got some idiot going the wrong way down Elizabeth that just figured out that, oh, I'm fucking smart. Now he's going the wrong way down 24th Street. Wow, and he's a commercial driver too. Too bad he doesn't have any fucking shit on his vehicle to say where he's from. Idiot.
How's my driving?
Dear Mr. FedEx, learn how to drive. What the fuck are you doing, dude? You pulled a Ute. What? Dear FedEx, what the fuck are you teaching your drivers? Ooh. How the fuck do you hit a bus? Hi, do you want to go? No, there you go. A little red there, don't you think? That's what happens when you drive too fast on the snow, you stupid ass. Stop taking a dick pic and drive. You don't have a big enough zoom anyways. Nice stop, you fuck!